Hey there, last time we left off on this project, we were saying that it should broadcast to, and number 2 should hide everything. So everything goes away and the screen turns into a big X for everything. Or check mark if you get it right. So I have to put this in everything, including this. So I'll just put this in everything and it should work. So everything hides if you get it right or wrong. Number 1, everything hides, and it's the same code for them, so I don't have to test it. Yeah, everything is right. Now all I have to teach you is how to make it 2 questions, and then you can repeat the thing over and over to have as many questions as you want. But the problem is that you can't use the same numbers. Eventually you'll have to go into letters. So once check mark is done, broadcast to, when 1 is pressed, switch backdrop to backdrop 2 and broadcast 2, and then it'll broadcast 3. Wait 5 seconds, because then I want it to broadcast number 3, which will make everything show again, but some different stuff. When I receive 3, he'll say the new question, which I'll say, what is 5 times 5? I'll draw 2 more answers, which will be twice as long, like that, on sides. Or just normal squares. I'll pause to draw these 2. Okay, so 10 and 25. Yeah, I have to make them so they're 40% size, so it's the same size. So when this happens, it should hide and switch to 40%. Same thing with this. And when after he says the question, I want him to broadcast a new message. Broadcast 4. When I receive 4, I want him to show. And if 5 or 6, I'll change this to 5. And this to 6. So when he shows, I want to make it so if 5 is clicked, it brings you to that wrong screen again, and if 6 is clicked, which again will go to our main plug. Okay, so 6 and 5. First I have to check which one's right and which one's wrong. Backdrop number 2, backdrop 2 is right and backdrop 3 is wrong. So if 5 is clicked, I want it to go wrong. Going to switch broadcast number 2. Which is the thing that makes everything hide. And switch backdrop to backdrop 3 because this is the wrong one. And I do the same thing. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2. So it brings them to the right screen. And still broadcasted. So no matter what, I want it to stop after this because I only want 2 questions. But if you want more questions, instead of doing the stop all, you just do another broadcast and start the procedure from here. Start the procedure from here. So yeah, I guess that was how to make a game show, these 2 videos. How to make a game show on Scratch. So bye.